The artboard is used to specify the area that is to be printed on a page. But in addition to this area, you can also specify crop marks, which are specific marks that show where the paper should be cut. For example, if you print a bunch of business cards, then you'll want crop marks to show the location of where objects are to be cut. You can create crop marks for any selected object using the Effect Crop Marked menu. This will add in these two lines, which will be printed with the page, indicating that this is the location where the object needs to be cut. Within the Preferences General panel is an option that you can enable to use Japanese crop marks. Japanese crop marks are a little bit different in that they have a double line to indicate the crop location. With this option enabled, if you choose Effects Crop Marks, then the Japanese crop marks are added for the selected object.